right, good afternoon, everyone. It's a beautiful spring day here in sunny Rhode Island. Welcome in to episode 9 of Tony's Talks.
How you doing?
We're doing great. So, we have a very special episode for you guys today. We're going to play a little game called Watermelon Roulette. So, as you see, we have our nice juicy melon here. Nice big melon. And we each have a bag of rubber bands, courtesy of Ocean State Job Lot, everyone's favorite store. And what we're going to do is we're going to take turns going around the circle, and each of us is going to place a band around the watermelon. The idea being that ultimately, at some point, the watermelon is going to explode. Hence our protective eyewear,
Our real
courtesy
D3D.
of Real D 3D from Showcase Cinemas,
From like
which we've had for
5
probably
years
a
ago.
decade.
Oh, we've already plugged like 4.
Yeah, we're getting all our sponsors in here. Just kidding, we're not sponsored. If you'd like to sponsor, though,
Oh,
feel free to
God.
reach out to us. We would love to hear your inquiries. So, yeah, we're going to go around the circle in order. And the roulette aspect of this is ultimately, should the watermelon explode, which we hope it does, the last person to have placed a band on the watermelon would be the loser.
Loser.
The loser.
Yeah.
Or
So
I
it's gonna
guess the winner, but roulette typically,
you die.
you die, I guess. You
Well,
want to try. Hey, whoa.
Whoa.
Pump the brakes. You want to get it pretty much in the middle of the melon. Uncle.
I didn't know that.
Simmer down.
Is
Simmer
this-
down. Uncle,
What?
wait for him to
It's gonna
finish.
take forever if we keep doing like this.
Yeah, well, this is
well,
how
if
it
I think
needs
we
to
have
be
it
done.
established, then we're fine. You have to get them on top of each other. I'm all spazzy with this.
Okay, all right. What did this melon ever do to you? Get closer to the melon.
Oh,
Uncle's
Oh,
already going.
jeez. Oh, he is in here. Oh, heaven.
Heaven to Betsy.
I don't know what that means.
You never heard that saying, expression? Heaven to Betsy?
I think that's a little...
Ancient.
Damn!
What country did this watermelon come from?
Stop and shop.
No, but what country was it grown in?
I
California?
don't know. Like,
Ecuador?
We did
California
not-
is not a country.
What country is this from?
Look at that. You guys gotta
California?
get- you gotta
Well,
get-
that was a big band.
Well, they said
together.
California wanted to be independent.
Yeah, full disclosure, folks, we're an immediate family unit here, hence our
Okay, John, your turn.
lack of social distancing and not wearing masks during this.
Did that one break?
Oh my
no, that one's not broken. Logan.
Uncle, patience. You can get that one on there.
no,
You
this
just do
one
it a little
is broken.
smaller. A little
No, this
slower.
one's not good.
Yes, it is.
It is?
Yes.
No, it wasn't. I could tell by the
Yeah,
feeling.
but you're going too fast. That's the problem.
Christmas tree. I just want to call myself.
You sound like a dying hyena.
A Diana, right?
Make my wish come true.
Oh, Michael Jackson in between puberty.
I get you in the face.
I think Michael Jackson just got me.
That was Michael Jackson coming back from the grave saying, "Talk shit on me."
He said, "Beat it, beat it."
He did a lot of that. He got arthritis quickly.
All right, Logan, your turn.
Wait.
I think the faster we go, the more the time will go by faster. Your turn, John.
Definitely true.
That didn't make any sense.
It made too much sense.
It made so much sense that you didn't even have to say
I'm
it.
just so tired. I went up to 4 o'clock this morning. I'm all screwed up.
They say the faster you go, the faster things will go by faster.
John, no. Logan's insulting me. Don't let him get away with it, Jeremy. You're closer to him.
John
Slap him.
Austin, Logan's insulting
How
me.
am
Don't
I
let him get
closer
away
to
with
him?
it, Jeremy. Uncle, slow down. You can get it, but you're going too fast.
Oh, mother hubba.
Mother hubba.
Well, better than the expletive I was going to use.
Yeah, I'm glad you did that because we're not going to be able to use
Mother hubba.
it like that.
Ah, mother hubba. That hurts. That stings.
We're running.
Oh, mother hubba. Let me try again. Let me try another one.
You could just deliberately put those on instead of one that would be
Try the
tighter.
Oh,
small.
mother hubba.
Well, we can dump this.
Oh, mother hubba.
Can you?
Come on, both of you. Oh my god.
John's having a moment
Oh
over
my
there.
We're gonna have so many
Because you
dolphins.
keep trying to put on these friggin' small ones.
Now it's your turn, John.
Yeah, thank you. All right, folks. So we've been at this for about an hour and a half. I'm not going to approximate how many rubber bands we put on this, but we've put a lot on. We're pretty much down to just the smallest of them, which don't really fit around the Malone. So we might have to get a little creative. I'm sorry? Stand it up? Yeah, for sure. So, yeah, you can tell it's getting there, but it's not quite ready to give. I mean, it's very firm at its
It's just ready to receive.
ends.
Uncle Tony.
I apologize.
No, we can keep that.
So, anyway, we might just kind of have to toss this around like a hot potato.
Wait, Uncle's got the baby oil.
You could just pour the, oh, God.
Lather it up.
Turn it around.
Oh, it is slippery.
Okay. It's enough baby oil.
No, you need more.
More?
Yeah.
Here, Logs, catch.
Oh God.
Okay. Get as close as you can so you can touch it. Okay? Just be careful. Mind your feet.
God. Oh my God. No, I don't want to.
Mind your feet.
Oh God.
You're trying to get someone to drop it, so you have to give it to them, but
Well,
you're real close. Yeah.
Don't catch it, Logan. Let it drop.
Like, stop. No, stop. Stop.
why don't Jeremy and I just throw it back and forth then?
No.
No more throwing. No.
Okay, then Logan can exit the
No,
game.
I'm not gonna. Just,
Are you quitting? Is it correct?
No.
Oh!
Logan, you're the loser.
no.
Oh my god.
That's such a weak one.
Can we still eat that?
I think so. She's dry.
Logan, don't let it drip on your legs.
Oh my God!
It did. Look what happened to the bands, Jeremy. Look at that. Are you filming that? Look at that.
She thought it was a corpse.
Oh, Logan, John, can you disconnect me?
Oh, that smells so good. Unscrew me. Okay.
How is it? It's good?
I'm gonna try some.
Just grab a piece that wasn't touching the ground.
This one's sweet.
All right.
Manja.
I would grab a piece that wasn't touching the ground, but there's not really a piece
Seeds?
available.
Are there seeds?
No.
No, really?
seedless.
Wow, impressive. Science, man.
There are definitely
Logan,
some
I mean, Uncle Tony, I have a new souvenir for you.
Look at that. I can't believe this happened to it. You see that? It expanded altogether.
All right, folks. So we did our watermelon roulette. The rubber bands weren't enough to get us to the finish line, so we came out here. We lathered this baby up, and we started tossing it around. And Logan was ultimately
The loser.
one who dropped it on its head, and it kind of split open and combusted. So with
Science.
that, we're going to try to salvage as much of this melon as we can. And yeah, this has been episode 9 of Tony's Talks. Uncle, do you have anything to say to the audience?
Thanks for watching. See you for episode 10.
Yeah, we'll see you next time. Take care.